There are many products available to choose from blenders, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best blenders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja BL610 Professional. We fully recognize that the three-figure price points of the blenders in this review are a bit intimidating. We sure were surprised by how much a premium blender can cost for a seemingly simple appliance. For folks shopping on a tight budget, the Ninja Professional BL610 is an affordable alternative with impressive capabilities. The BL610 has a simple interface compared to the top-tier models, but its single auto IQ smoothie preset produces a well-blended, albeit thick, smoothie in only 1 minute. Even though it lacks the versatility of other models we tested, as a standalone blender, this model is a serviceable option. The BL610 should certainly be on the radar of any blended cocktail enthusiasts. With a powerful pulse feature, this blender easily pulverizes ice into snow. The smoothie preset whips up batches of creamy, blended margaritas in no time, and the oversized 72-ounce pitcher means you'll have enough on hand to serve the whole party. While the consistency isn't quite as immaculate as those produced by higher-end blenders, frozen beverages are frosty and enjoyable. The key with all the recipes blended by the BL610 is that they contain plenty of liquid. Otherwise, things can get a bit sticky. Number 2. NutriBullet Full-Size Blender Combo. If the price of the top-tier models is well outside your budget, it's well worth considering the NutriBullet combo. Surpassing its more accessible price point, this workhorse of a blender puts up numbers and key metrics that are competitive among even the best blenders in our lineup. The interface is straightforward, with 3 speed settings, a pulse feature, and a single preset. The extract program is specifically designed to efficiently process fresh fruit and vegetables. While this preset does a fine job of transforming these ingredients into a serviceable green shake, it works incredibly well for blending more simple berry-based recipes. We were also happily surprised by this blender's versatility. Unlike other price point models, the combo holds its own during non-traditional tasks like pureeing and grinding, which is certainly an improvement upon the performance of the previously tested NutriBullet blender. The combo's ability to puree soup was particularly impressive, especially considering the stiff competition. To a certain degree, we expected this versatile performance from other premium models we tested. But the fact that the combo blender was able to process a batch of homemade soup in the same amount of time, and to the same relative temperatures as other Vitamix blenders which are renowned for their puree capabilities, captured our attention. This level of versatility only adds to the already exceptional value of this affordable blender. Number 3. Blendtec Total Blender Classic. We recognize that many of the best blenders in our lineup are expensive, and with such a substantial purchase, you want to know that your investment is going to stand the test of time. Through multiple cycles of in-house testing and many years of use as one of our testers' personal blenders, we're confident in highlighting the Blendtec Total Classic as a blender that's built to last. This small but mighty blender sits upon a 1560-watt motor base that provides ample power for everything from blending hearty breakfast smoothies to pulverizing ice for frozen beverages. The wide variety of presets this blender offers smoothie, whole juice, ice cream, ice crush, hot soup, and batters speaks to its utilitarian design and versatility. Blendtec is known for its high-quality, commercial-grade blenders, and the Total Classic brings that same level of performance to your home kitchen. Where even some premium blenders struggle to get through the more difficult tasks, the Total Classic excelled. The uniquely blunted blades crush ice cubes to snow in mere seconds, turning out creamy blended margaritas in a fraction of the time it took other blenders. While it was more of an extended process and required a bit more oil than others we tested, this blender processed a nut butter that was a fan favorite among our testers for its full-bodied flavor and velvety consistency. We have no doubt that these exceptional results stem from the nuanced design differences in the blades, which seem to pulverize chunky ingredients a bit better than otherwise directly comparable blenders. Number 4. KitchenAid K400. In some instances, style means everything. In the case of the KitchenAid K400, this blender doesn't just look good, it backs up its style with premium performance. Unlike other modern blenders that are fronted by a prominent LCD screen, the retro-style K400 is controlled from a single dial. But don't let the simple interface mislead you. This blender features many of the same user-friendly presets as its direct competitors. Behind its sleek design lie 5 variable speed settings, a pulse feature, and 4 convenient preset functions. KitchenAid's proprietary IntelliSpeed motor control automatically adjusts the speed of the blades based on the size of the container and the hardness of the ingredients being blended, making it easier for this blender to work through a variety of recipes. We love that all of these capabilities lie hidden behind the no-frills facade of the K400, a blender that is sure to impress with its performance-backed style. The optimized ice crush program crushes ice cubes into a powdery, snow-like consistency in a mere 30 seconds, while the icy drink preset makes similarly quick work of blended frozen beverages. The batch of frozen margaritas we made was perfectly creamy, with an even consistency throughout the blender jar. There are very few premium blenders in our lineup that earn perfect scores in this difficult test, and all of them cost significantly more than the reasonably priced K400. Number 5. Vitamix A2500 Ascent Series. A futuristic vision of a modern classic, the Vitamix A2500 Ascent Series is a premium blender whose high-performance capabilities are only matched by its time-tested durability. It's difficult not to highlight the A2500 when, time and again, this blender continues to impress us in nearly every way. This top-quality blender tops the charts in nearly every meaningful metric, and thanks to many years of testing and retesting this blender, we feel sufficiently experienced to speak on the A2500's durability and the worthwhile investment of this admittedly expensive appliance. The A2500 turns out some of the creamiest smoothies in perfectly blended margaritas, and of course, lives up to the Vitamix reputation of processing a steaming batch of homemade soup in mere minutes. Add a smart base with wireless connectivity that will automatically adjust program settings depending on the size of the container, and you have a blender that will tackle any daily tasks with grace and efficiency. Even though other premium models performed admirably in our Puring tests, no other option could quite compare with the performance of the A2500. Vitamix blenders are famously known for their ability to blend soup, which is one of the main reasons home cooks and professional chefs have turned to these versatile, high-end blenders for years. The powerful motor base and sheer speed of the blades blended a homemade batch of tomato soup in less than 6 minutes, simultaneously heating it to an ideal temperature of 153 degrees Fahrenheit, so that you can serve it right out of the pitcher. Notably, the A2500 pureed fresh soup ingredients down to a near-perfect consistency. We were able to pour the extent of the pitcher through a sieve, without catching even the smallest chunk. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier.